just, just, justice, injustice, just.
A very short time ago.
I've just been on a trip to France. We've only just begun.
Now or very soon.
I'm just coming. The doctor will be with you in just a minute or moment or second. Actually. Actually. Actual, actually.
Used when you are emphasizing what is really true or what really happened.
I don't actually like seafood. So what actually happened?
Early. Early.
Early. Early.
Earlier, earliest.
Before the usual time or the time that was arranged.
If you finish early, you can go home. The plane arrived 10 minutes early.
Near the beginning of a period of time, process, etc.
The early 1980s. This was in the early days of car design. My earliest memory is of being shown around our new house.
And.
Used instead of to after some verbs, such as try and go.
Try and eat something. I asked him to go and find my glasses. Wait and see what happens.
Used after a list of things to show that you could have added other similar things.
She plays a lot of tennis and squash and so on. Set. Set. Setting, set.
A group of things which belong together.
A boxed set of DVDs. A chess or train or chemistry set. A set of instructions or rules.
Wooden. Wooden.
Wood, wooden.
Made of wood.
The house was surrounded by a tall, wooden fence. Stir the mixture with a wooden spoon.
Mirror. Mirror.
Mirror. Mirror.
A piece of glass with a shiny metallic material on one side which produces an image of anything that is in front of it.
The bathroom mirror. She was looking at her reflection in the mirror. Cousin. Cousin.
A child of a person's aunt or uncle.
My brother's wife and I both had babies around the same time, so the cousins are very close in age.
Happy. Happy.
Happy. Happy.
Happy. Happy.
Happiness, unhappiness, happy, unhappy, happily.
Willing to do something.
I'd be very happy to help, if you need a hand.
Satisfied and not worried.
Are you happy with your exam results? I'm not very happy about you traveling alone at night. Red. Red. Redder, reddest.
Red wine is made from black grapes.
We ordered a bottle of red wine.
Describes hair which is an orange-brown color.
Both children have red hair.
The color of blood.
She uses a lot of reds and pinks in her paintings. She was dressed all in red.
Meeting. Meeting.
Meeting, meet.
An event where people come together for a reason, usually to discuss something.
We're having a meeting on Thursday to discuss the problem. I'm afraid she's in a meeting. I'll ask her to call you back later. PC. PC.
Personal computer.
The price of PCs has been tumbling recently. $70.
The number 70.
60, 70, 80. This house was built 70 years ago.
Postcard. Postcard.
A card, often with a photograph or picture on one side, which can be sent without an envelope.
Ella sent me a postcard from Japan.
Farmer. Farmer.
Farmer. Farmer.
Farm, farmer, farming.
Someone who owns or looks after a farm.
A sheep farmer.